All right, yo. Here is, it's 11:11 a.m., April 5th, and I am up $35 on the day. Pretty decent day. Still trying to push my share size, but I still have $5,000 left to trade with. I've only used about half of my buying power today, and I really don't see any good setups anymore. Usually, most of my trades are before 11 o'clock. Usually after 11, I try to wind down and stop trading just because there's not as many plays. But yeah, I need to push. I want to work on pushing my share size every day, just a little bit every day. Today I traded a little bit more volume than I would usually, but I did come out $35, which is nothing too out of the ordinary for a regular day for me. However, $35 can go a long way. That's probably about half of my grocery bill. That's about actually about maybe a third of my electric bill. I could pay from half of my Wi-Fi bill. $35 every day adds up. And usually at the end of every week, I profit between 100 and 150. So yeah, what I was really looking forward to today was this stock here, IGIC. I saw this pre-market was up 90 bucks, faded all the way down to 9. I thought we were gonna have a short squeeze out of the open. I didn't buy it, but I just kept it on my radar. I thought that these candles here were gonna crush through this pre-market high, the open price, and then crush through the VWAP all the way up to maybe 15 or 16. But we didn't see it. I was looking forward to that. However, we did get more short squeeze on the ACY. However, I didn't trade this. I lost 50 cents on it actually, getting chopped up in here. I got a little bit chopped up in there. And I really don't like trading stocks that get halted all the time. This stock just kept halting. Made a lot of my profit today off of XELB, scalping in this range and scalping up here. And yeah, just getting a lot of the range. Unfortunately, I did not get this nice move here. I thought it was going to pull back, but it just kept going. And I thought it was too extended to get in and too risky. So I was patient for a good entry. BPTH, I made a lot on this. Getting a lot of these bounces right out of the open. I like to trade the ranges right out of the open just because there's so much range and there's a lot of profit potential. So I was trading that out of the open. I was trading this this short trap here. So it broke out down to the downside and then it recovered on similar or a greater volume on a green candle. And I bought here and went like 100, 150 shares. However, we didn't get a huge follow through. It was kind of choppy on the way up. So I kind of took my profit kind of early because I thought there was going to be another fake out to the upside and coming back down just because of how choppy it was. And on CEMI, I made $8 on CEMI. Right out of the open, I went in with like 150 shares right on this candle here because I thought we were going to squeeze over 85. But I did take my profit on this candle here, showing this candle couldn't rip through. It made a new high, but it didn't end up having any follow through, so I sold and I made only $8. And so that's really it. I mean, I didn't capitalize on ACY just because it's a stock that's going to get delisted and it's just a very big pump and dump. And it's just very irrational right now. And I don't like getting stuck in halts to the upside or the downside because you just never know if it's going to get halted for a day or if it's going to halt and open up 10 minutes later, $10 down. You really just never know with halts. So I kind of just stay away from that. Looks like CEMI is looking kind of good here. We might get a squeeze over the pre-market high of $5.88 or $6. So I'm going to keep that on watch and may trade that. But we never know. I mean, we're getting into lunchtime. The volume might start to die down. It looks like this candle here is not on very high volume. There's not a lot of volume on these two candles. It's pretty much average for the day. So we might not get a squeeze. However, I was buying CEMI down here because I thought we were going to get a bounce off the VWAP, but it crashed down below VWAP, and I took an L on that one, and there it goes. Up 80 cents, 30 cents off my entry. But that's okay. I mean, shit happens all the time, and that's just part of trading. You're not going to get them all. You're going to just make sure your losers are small. I was smart by at least getting out when I said I was going to get out. I was playing only for the bounce off VWAP. I wasn't playing for a bounce below VWAP. I guess it was a good trade because I protected my downside risk, and it had a potential to come all the way down here. So that's that. Today, I'm probably not going to trade anymore unless CEMI decides to rip past 580 or 590. Then I might trade for the break of 6. Other than that, I'm probably going to be done for the day. I don't want to take too much risk anymore. I'm probably going to downsize. And I don't want to push my share size right now just because of the amount of less volume and volatility in the market. And I just want to kind of hold on to the profit that I worked so hard for this morning, and then come back tomorrow with a fresh mind and continue to push my share size to increase my profits. So that's that. And if you guys got any value out of this video, or you thought this was interesting or entertaining, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.